already has been told to build a 24-hour economy market. We should take advantage of that and see how we can weave into it. Today, I want to salute all Kente weavers for your hard work, for your timeless products, for your priceless products. Egba nele Kente vojin ome popo, ome tapo, va Agortime. Ewa de canal, wow we now. Never your wedding come to Agortime. Never our traditional wedding, va Agortime. Any occasion where you want to use Kente that has never ever been seen or worn before, come to Agortime and you get the best like the one I'm wearing. Azalo. To support the festival, I give you 20,000 cedis. Old money, 200 million. Akperemi. Oh, I see you, Nedi. Akpe.